It is January 23rd, 2020, and welcome to Linux and FOSS Daily, your daily news source for Linux and free and open source software news. Today, we have distro news in that Gparted got a new release of, Gparted Live to be specific, which is basically the same thing as Gparted, but it's like its own separate thing. Usually it's used, I would imagine it would be used for data recovery and things of that nature. But that got a new release of 1.1.0-1, which comes with kernel 5.4.13 and is still based on Debian 9. Ghost BSD got a new release of 20.01, meaning it's the first release of 2020. I haven't tried a BSD distribution, but this one uses the Mate desktop environment and is currently up to 1.22.2 on the Mate desktop environment version and 12.1 stable on the actual system version. Lakka, which is RetroArch, but more of an operating system version of RetroArch, got a release of 2.0.2, which bumps up the version of RetroArch to 1.8.4. In other news, FOSS has released an article on how to enable dark mode in Firefox. Just hit that. Go to themes. And then dark mode, and then you enable add to Firefox. You're good. Oh my god, Ubuntu, or OMG Ubuntu, has released 3 articles today about how Rocket League is dropping support for Linux, Telegram update adds new poll options and message scheduling, Ubuntu's installer slideshow gets a refresh for the upcoming 20.04 release. That is an LTS release. So, Ubuntu's slideshow gets new pictures. Yay. GNOME 3.36 will also be in this release, so that's exciting. Telegram, which is an instant messaging app where you can message other Telegram users, got a new release which adds new poll options and message scheduling. Rocket League has dropped support for Linux. I do not know if it'll be available through Proton or not. And game mode got a new release yesterday of 1.5, which introduces a new PIDFD-based set of dbus APIs, dynamically change governor on integrated GPUs for improved performance. So I guess that would mean better game mode support for Ryzen integrated APUs. And then various other fixes and improvements. That is it for today. I will see you guys all back again tomorrow.